Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you the results of heatless curls, what they can look like. I'm going to try to take some self-portrait photos of myself, and so I have to be my own hair, makeup, wardrobe, everything. Now I learned this from another YouTuber years ago, and I unfortunately cannot find her video again, and I couldn't remember what her name was, but she was great. And so basically I just found 3 headbands and sectioned off my hair. I did 3 sections on either side, twisted, and then I just kind of wrapped them around each headband. So now I've slept in this, and I bobby pinned them as well after twirling them in. But yeah, I've slept in them, and now I'm going to unfurl them. And I'm also going to be using some styling products. So I'm using, I like this one from Lush. It's called Dirty, and it kind of smells like dryer sheets, which I love. I love the smell of fresh laundry. So that's what that smells like. So it's contrary to the name Dirty. And it's made by Lush, and so it's like handmade natural ingredients. So that's what I use for styling cream, just to kind of keep the curls in a little bit afterwards. And then I use this Aveda Light Elements, and this just gives it a nice sheen afterwards, to give your hair some shine, but it's super, super light. Like, it's not heavy at all. I can't even describe it. Like, it's just like feels weightless. Definitely lighter than any, like olive oil, grapeseed oil, any other oil you can think of. Much lighter. So that's it. That's all I'm going to use today for products. Okay, so now let's just try to unfurl all of this. Okay, there's the bobby pin. Okay. Let's see if I can get all that out. Okay, it's out. Doesn't look too great yet, right? Don't worry, it will. It'll look great. So I'm just gonna kind of, yeah, just run my fingers through a few times, and I'm gonna figure out which way I want to part it. Probably this way, so I can hide all my gray hairs that are on the other side. Okay. So that's where I want to part my hair. So now, time for the styling cream. So I'm just gonna take a glob of this Dirty Cream by Lush, and just kind of, it's kind of tacky. And I'm just gonna run it through my hair. Now the last time I did this, I don't think I put enough of this cream in, and so the curls kind of flattened out sooner than I expected. So I'm just gonna put more in this time. So I'm gonna run it through, but then I'm gonna squish like this, just to kind of encourage those curls to kind of stay. Maybe I'll pull to this side and add this cream in on this side as well here. I'm running it through and then squishing it up. Swooshing it up. I don't know what you call this. I don't know what the technical term is for this, but I like swoosh. Swoosh and release is what I call it. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some more. Just gonna put some more on this part here as well, up here. Kind of get that shape. And again, always squooshing and releasing. Feels pretty sticky right now, which is good, so it means I've got it through everything. I've done as much squooshing and releasing as I could just to keep it. Now for some of you, if you wanted a lot of volume, you know, you might do some teasing. You might have done some teasing up here before putting the styling cream on, but I'm not going to do any teasing. So all right, so now I'm going to use the Aveda Light Elements just to give it some shine and smooth it out a bit. So I should probably put it in both hands like this, and then just let it glide over. Now, the first time I did this, actually, I didn't bobby pin it to the headbands, and so they kind of loosened up a bit and gave me more of a wavy look than a curly look. So you can also experiment with that. So yeah, that first time I was just wrapping around the headbands, no bobby pins, slept in it, and it kind of loosened up. And then when I unfurled it, it was more of a big wave. So this one's more of a curly look because I bobby pinned it so that it stayed more tightly wound around the headband. But that's it. So that's, yeah, a pretty easy way to do curls or waves without having to bother with curling iron and using heat on your hair, which can be damaging and drying. Yeah. So if you like this video, please like down below or hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.